This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvie Ramos. Historic 1910 traditional in West Ghent with walking distance to EVMS, hospital and CHKD. Good schools, Morey/Blair and Taylor Elementary. 5-bedroom home west/3.5 baths on 3 levels. Over 3,100 square feet of living. Large formal entry, family room, den, dining area, and kitchen. Over 12 feet ceilings and massive windows. Kitchen is overly spacious with eat-in area, wall-to-wall pantry, white cabinetry and stainless appliances. Large bedrooms spaced on floors 2 and 3. Master suite has large ensuite with tiled shower. Large side deck and private brick courtyard. Private driveway offering parking off-street. Make this beauty your home. Fireplaces are decorative. 2-zone heat/air serviced by E.T. Lawson. Efficient oil heating and zoned cooling. Avail. August 1, 2020. Apply and go to www.townerentals.com. Call for your appointment. For more information, review the details below.